Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2018 SRT 8 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It does have that 6.4 engine and it is really fun to drive, but the customer was calling to complain that the check engine light was on and they couldn't figure out why. So we brought the vehicle in, hooked our diagnostic tools up to it, and found that it had a small evap leak, which is part of the emission system that recovers fuel vapor off of the motor. We started doing some inspecting, looked around, we found a hose that had basically broken in half. That was part of that evap system. Let the customer know that's what we needed to do to repair this issue and get that check engine light off. Got a new hose, stuck it on, took the vehicle for a drive. And you do have to drive them for a little bit longer to get enough drive time on them to verify that the emission system will not make the check engine light come back on. So if you have a vehicle with a check engine light on, or you've taken it somewhere and you know you've got an emissions issue or a leak in the evap system, those are things that we can definitely help you diagnose and get repaired. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.